Okay, so I'm talking English right now because I also talk English. Wait. I'm kind
Wait, I'm
of.
gonna take a. I have a profile.
I live in New York, so of course I talk. Of course I talk English. So I want to show you someone that
Wait, what?
I know. Look, I'm pointing the camera at you. It's on. Look.
Wait, I'm not. What? I know. Hi. Hola.
I am so gonna kill you if you don't speak right now.
You subscribe to me.
Okay. So that's one of my friends. She is my subscriber, and I'm gonna subscribe to her channel. Y si ella también habla español, esta tonta. She doesn't get the meaning of Spanish, but lo veo a ustedes ahorita. Okay? Peace.